how to access activity log in Hostinger. So if you want to see any history in Hostinger, follow these steps to enter activity log. Also, if you want 20% off your hosting, use my link 20% off in this video description. So how to access your activity log? All you're gonna have to do is to go to website section, and here, for example, choose any website you want and go to dashboard. Now on the left, go to advanced, and here scroll down until you find at the bottom activity log. So simply click that, and here you can see your activity log, your date and time, and the action and status. So here you can see SSL installed and it was successful. Before that is the failed installation of SSL, and you can go right and see all your activity logs, or just change the page size here and you will see more of your activity log in your Hostinger account. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.